You know that saying, you can only lose 100% of your money but you can make 2000%? Yeah, no. Somehow WallStreetBets manages to lose way more than 100%. The protagonist, or no, actually antagonist of our story is a 19-year-old kid who's known as ControlTheNarrative on Reddit. On his account, he talked about some questionable stuff regarding how socialism is apparently better than capitalism. However, I guess he went full capitalist after discovering WallStreetBets. WallStreetBets was a magical place for him. He saw 100, 1,000, even 10,000% gains achieved in just a couple of hours. He wanted to replicate the results for his own portfolio. So he borrowed a huge amount of money and dumped it into Microsoft put options for their earnings. To the surprise of pretty much no one, he lost the entire position, giving away $30,000 of borrowed money. But the story does not end there. He stated he learned his lesson and had a big reality check. However, once he somehow paid off his margin call, he proved that he almost certainly did not learn his lesson. He needed a way to rebuild his wealth through safe investments and a stable job. Instead, he chose to repeat the exact same strategy by gambling on Apple puts for their earnings. But what makes this so spectacular is a little strategy ControlTheNarrative had discovered. He found a glitch on Robinhood that allowed him to quite literally attain infinite leverage. Here's how it works. Using Robinhood Gold, you can borrow up to the amount of money you already have in your account. He started off with $2,000, the minimum amount needed to access margin. He bought all the AMD shares he could, and sold deep in the money call options on those shares to quickly get almost all that money back as cash in his account. So now, he has $4,000 in his account, but remember, half of it is still tied to borrowed money. Robinhood overlooked this though, and treated it all as his own money. So now, he can borrow another $4,000 and repeat the cycle, getting $8,000, then $16,000, and so on. You could quite literally attain infinite leverage with this method, but he stopped to meet his quote-unquote personal risk tolerance, which is 25-to-1 leverage. So now he has $50,000 of borrowed money. He yielded it all into 7% out of the money Apple puts expiring in 2 days. Just know that this is incomprehensibly risky. It was do or die. If you think that 3x leverage on ETFs like TQQQ is insane, well, this is around 1200x leverage. He needed Apple to absolutely crash down to the core of the earth after their earnings because the option was so far out of the money. If Apple didn't spontaneously implode, then he would lose everything. Unfortunately, Tim Apple gave a great earnings call, and Apple stock rocketed after hours. ControlTheNarrative knew that he was in utter financial ruin. And I'm in utter financial ruin too, in real life. If you want to help me, then please like and subscribe. Thank you. He decided to record the market open on the next day to assess the damage. At the exact moment the clock struck 9:30, this is what happened. To watch more WallStreetBets losses that are somehow just as crazy as this one, click this video. I'll see you there.